2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 EV First Look Review, Ford's Worst Nightmare. The 2024 Chevrolet Silverado EV has just been revealed to the world, and it boasts some pretty impressive features and options. The all-electric pickup comes with up to 664 horsepower and 400 miles of range, not to mention innovative storage solutions that include the return of the midgate. Reservations have already opened for the new truck, and they're likely to fill up rather quickly, but what are interested parties getting themselves into, and should you join them? Let's unpack the promises that Chevy has made with the Ultium-powered EV and see if it's worth the money and if it really is as good as or better than the gas-powered Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Exterior appearance, avalanche-inspired aggression. While Ford has opted to style its electric pickup in a similar manner to its regular F-150 trucks, General Motors took a different approach with a design that looks futuristic yet nostalgic. Many have noted the truck's similarity to the long-dead Chevy Avalanche, and that full-width LED light bar that meets a black bow tie in a blanked-off grille certainly gives us a slightly retro vibe too. Black cladding and squared arches combine with a shark fin C-pillar while the tail lights extend forward along the sides. The side steps and multi-flex tailgate add some functionality to the aerodynamic design, but the option of 24-inch wheels and a fixed glass roof on the top RST trim suggests that GM may have focused more on style than practicality. However, some clever storage solutions will prove that the electric Silverado is more than just a fancy new toy. Smart storage solutions. Under the hood, a configurable front trunk, called the e-trunk, offers lockable, weatherproof storage, while the modular console of the crew cab, the only body style to be offered, has enough space for a lunch cooler with 7 gallons of capacity. In the back, the RST trim's bed measures 5 feet and 11 inches, but the multi-flex midgate allows a massive pass-through to be opened between the cabin and the bed. Add in the optional multi-flex tailgate, fold the 40/60 second row, and you'll have 10 feet and 10 inches of load floor space, which is big enough for a kayak. If you're worried about someone pinching your plastic boat, a weatherproof tonneau cover can be locked. Interior design, information overload. GM is yet to release all the details on the Silverado EV's capabilities and tech, but we can look forward to keyless entry and ignition through a smart device. This system can automatically start the truck when a paired device is detected, and when you open the door, a 3D animation appears on the RST trim's 17-inch LCD freeform infotainment display. Looking ahead, the driver finds an 11-inch reconfigurable digital instrument cluster. Wireless charging, Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving, and all the usual smartphone connectivity solutions are also offered, but that's not it for interior tech. A head-up display offers a field of view of over 14 inches, while those in the back have something to look forward to in terms of space. With the heated, in the RST, second row placed as far back as possible, Chevy claims that 6-footers will have more than enough space to be comfortable. Powertrain and performance, charging ahead. 2 trims are being announced at launch, with the entry-level WT, work truck, offering 510 horsepower and 615 lb-ft of torque, enough to allow for a towing capacity of 8,000 pounds and a payload rating of 1,200 pounds. If you opt for the RST trim, you get 664 HP and more than 780 lb-ft of torque, allowing you to tow 10,000 pounds and carry 1,300 pounds. This model can also achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds when wide open Watts mode is activated. For those who need even more capability, Chevy will eventually launch another fleet model beyond the first WT trim that can do up to 20,000 pounds of towing with the Max Tow package. Long range, quick charging. Both launch trims are estimated to manage 400 miles of range on a single charge, and both offer DC fast charging of up to 350 kilowatts. This means that you can regain 100 miles of range after just 10 minutes of charging, and the Energy Assist feature of the My Chevrolet app can help you find the most efficient route to a charger. This feature is seriously clever in that it can adjust the route if you are towing something, thus maximizing efficiency. Like some rivals, the Silverado EV has the ability to power other EVs with an optional cord too, and when your needs are less energy intensive, the power-based charging dock can be paired with an optional accessory bar to charge appliances, tools, or other electronic items. Pricing and competition. The 2024 Chevrolet Silverado EV will launch with the WT trim in the spring of 2023, while the fully spec'd RST First Edition model, an exact production run is yet to be revealed, will arrive in the fall of the same year. Other trims will come too, including a regular RST and a Trail Boss, but for now, the WT has a base MSRP of $39,900 while the RST First Edition asks for $105,000 before destination charges and rebates. That entry-level MSRP is a smidge off the base price of the cheapest Ford F-150 Lightning, which starts at $39,974. The Blue Oval's most expensive trim is cheaper than Chevy's, starting at $90,000. As for other rivals like the yet-to-be-launched GMC Hummer EV, Rivian R1T, and Tesla Cybertruck, well, these are all more premium and have even more power. Essentially, GM's biggest rival is the one it has always fought, but more affordable electric pickups will undoubtedly arrive soon enough.